Okay, hey there. Okay, this is my bike. It's a 2008 Eastern Ramrodder. I have stock tires, stock rims. Got a Shadow Conspiracy seat with mongoose bars. Came off my last bike. I got this bike for free. Like my best friend gave it to me, and he took the seat and the handlebars off. So I put on my Shadow Conspiracy seat, which is really nice. The only thing I hate about it is when it rains. These are my Kink Alpha grips. They're really, really comfy. I will warn you though, if you get them for your bike, if you leave them in the sun for a little long, they'll get sticky. But then other than that, they're really good. I got a stock stem. The forks, they're stock still. It's got a Kenda tire. I have no clue what it is. It doesn't really say. But stock hubs. I got the stock hub, stock rim. My rim's chipping now. My front rim's chipping on somewhere around here. My back tire, it's completely stock. I have a Medusa sprocket. And a crazy chain. It's like totally wicked. And the reason he gave me the bike for free was because the inside here, the bearings were gone really bad. So what I did is they sent him a new bearing settings. So what I did is I grinded the threads off, which I do now regret that. But I stripped the grids off so then the shafts can fit through the bearings. And this, I guess, oh yeah, and this bolt broke, so I put this in there with a star nut. Had to fix the headset. Got that fixed. And I got one question. Please leave comments or whatever. But my back wheel likes to wobble. If you can see that. My back wheel likes to wobble. And it's inside the hub. But I don't know how to tighten it. I've tried tightening these bolts and it just wouldn't tighten. But other than that, it's just a little wiggle. Guess it really isn't much to bother with. But I got new stem covers for front and back. And that's pretty much my Eastern Ramrodder. Please leave comments. And thank you.